All right, today I'll be going over climate change, which is the Sustainable Development Goals of 13. In the first one, we'll be looking over the charts and the maps. So the first one will be deaths and missions due to natural disasters. As we can see, we have so we'll do actually the adoption and implementation of policies to reduce disaster risk. We have the United States, which is right here, which has 0.75. And this is the index measures of score between 0 and 1. A higher value gets more DRR policies and have been adopted and implemented. So you can see the United States has 0.75. Then you have Japan, which is 1. So yeah, there's much more, or a 100% policy rate for Japan versus 75% in the United States. And if you go, yeah, so as you can see, the rate of deaths and missing persons due to this data is not on here, sadly. We can't tell what that is. So, number of local governments with disaster risk reduction strategies. So, this is the portion of local governments that adopt and implement local disaster risk reduction strategies in line with national disaster risk reduction strategies. So, as we see, United States. So the number of local governments that have adopted and implement local risk reduction strategies. So the 56 local governments have adopted this in the United States, while it looks like Japan is more, which, wow, a lot more. But it's also more often there in Japan than it is in America. So it's 1788 versus only 56, which is wild. So if we look down here, the target for this is by 2030, strengthen resilience and adapt to capacity climate hazards. So as you can see here, we go to chart. Let's go here. There we go. So if we go here to greenhouse gas emissions, so total greenhouse per year, United States is 5.93 billion. That's a lot. That's a lot. And then we have Japan, which is only 1.1 billion. So that's 5 times less than America. Which shows how much greenhouse gas emissions America does throw in every year. I'm trying to see if there's anything else that I want to discuss. So, sorry, one sec. All right, so if we go to the Gather IQ website over climate change, so we can go here to, let's go to this one. Is it low climate change global goal? So climate change is a global, and we all must act to protect the planet. This goal, sustainable development goal, is basically the challenge is to take action for promote solutions to tackle these climate changes. And the definition of climate change is a change in global climate weather conditions recorded over time. The Earth's climate is changing faster than at any point in history. So, what is causing this? Well, this is because of global gas emissions that many countries are taking part in. America, North America, United States being one of them, being a major one of them. Japan being sort also partaking, but much less than America. So America definitely needs to come up with a better climate change strategies, which we are currently doing and trying to get better at. But obviously, this ain't helping, and the sea levels are rising because of the weather patterns. Uh, so yeah, right here, last thing, and temperatures are rising from July 29th was the hottest month in record history. So if we go for more time, as you can see right here, the greenhouse gas emissions, United States at 6 billion, and then you can see like Japan is at 13.71 billion, which is even more. But Japan is only at 1.1 billion compared to a lot of these are a lot lower. Yeah, that is all I want to talk about sustainable development goals. This was educational for you, and my name is Eli.